one. Let's move forward into the part of stakeholders. Yeah, so welcome to ISEC in Uganda National Education Cycle, and with this one we are going to focus more on seeing the stakeholders in our entity. Focused more in seeing in making an alignment with what we're doing to our entity in correlation to what is being done to ISEC in global. So first of all, we have different stakeholders, and for this case, stakeholders are a group of people that we are working within our organization that are helping to foster the implementation and operation of different programs that we are doing. So stakeholders, they can be the internal or external. So for the internal one, they're the ones that are detached with ISEC activity and all those ISEC things that we are doing. The external one, they are the ones that are non-ISEC, they are not detached with the organization, but they are there to assist accomplishment of all those things that we are operating as organization. So let me start with the external stakeholders. So our external stakeholders that we are currently working with as ISEC in Uganda, alumni and BOA. The alumni is a group of ISECers, that old ISECers that they have completed their ISEC journey, and right now they are working, they are living in a corporate world, and they are all working there. So they're one of the agents that we are working with, and they're essential because in one way or another, they're the one who are connected us and link us to all those corporate companies that they are working with and fostering the partnership with them. The other external stakeholder is BOA. BOA, I mean board of advisors. This board of advisors, they are the one who take lead in advising and directing in operation point of views all the department, like on how are they going to work and how they should work. We should work as an organization so as we achieve all those long-term goals that have laid down with the organization. Yeah, let's have like kind of tips. Yeah, 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 yeah. There are some sort of things that they are really important as when we're working with this external stakeholders, like for instance make sure that all those stakeholders are keeping informed with everything that is ongoing with the organization, since they're the one who would advise in a way that all those operations could operate properly. They're the one who could advise the best way to do. Yeah, also make sure that we keep them into account. We keep ourselves and them into account, so they should have a reason why they're detached and why are they stakeholders to an organization, whether an alumni or BOA. They should have a kind of responsibility they need to fulfill to an organization as alumni or BOA. Yeah. Also, we have to manage them closely, like to make sure that we get close to them, so whenever we feel like there's a kind of advice we should have to get from them, we really need to approach them and make sure that we accomplish that. Yeah, so we also need to meet their needs. So if they require us as an organization to create a specified environment so as they could support us, we also need to make sure that we accomplish that one in full. Yeah, so let's back to the internal stakeholders. This is the main part that is really important. The internal stakeholders, these are all those stakeholders that are detached to an organization, all those hands that are detached to an organization, then they are working, they're helping in handling all those operation activity in maximum level that we desire. So mainly I can say right now I'm talking about members. Members, you're the internal stakeholders for the entity, because you're the one uh, who are working in various departments, and from all those departments, yeah, sorry, okay, yeah, so members are the internal stakeholders, since they are holding different roles from different departments, and they are working to make sure that they are working to assist all those operations per every department and every product area. Yeah, so those are the two main stakeholders within our organization. The first one, the first group encompasses the internal stakeholder. The second group is the external stakeholder, of which for the external, we have given an example of BOA and alumni. And for the internal, our general members, that they are the ones that are holding different roles and positions, just to foster the development of all those function operation. Yeah, so thank you so much. That's all about the stakeholders. I hope you learned enough. Charles.